Alright.
Oh, when you come up with
No water.
I don't know when people take it and that's your main food.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to another weekly vlog. Today is Thursday. It's pretty early. Not too early, but it's morning. Me and my family, we're going out today. My mom, my dad, and myself, we're going out today. Obviously, my brother's at work. So, we're all going out. Well, we're just going to run errands. That's the main business of going out. Have to pick up some packages from the shipping company and, you know, just some other regular stuff to do. So we have, as I said, a couple errands to run today. I finished my last mid-semester exam this morning. Bright and early, obviously, with the class that I have in the mornings today. So I finished it, finally. Thank God, I'm done with them. So yeah, and I'm gonna treat myself to a little something today. I don't know what yet, but I'm gonna treat myself to a little something today, because why not, right? So let me go show you guys the outfit that I'm wearing today. It's pretty simple, but it's also really, really cute. So I'm wearing this oversized, like, white t-shirt, not t-shirt, or t-shirt, long sleeve shirt. Yes, this buttoned up long sleeve shirt, white. I have a white tank top underneath with a black skirt and my white Air Forces. Jewelry, just my regular little stuff that I do. Earrings here. Oh, also I pulled out my mini twist. I didn't show you guys that because I pulled it out just randomly one of the nights. So I pulled it out and I'm just wearing a slip back today because I'm planning to do my hair, but I don't know when I'm gonna do my hair. But I put it on from now so I can get it washed and stuff like that when I get a chance. So yeah, that's the outfit for today. I'm taking you guys along with me on the road, obviously throughout the week. I do have some stuff to do when I come back home. When I come back home, I want to do some laundry. And then tomorrow, I want to clean my room and do a little bit of, you know, maintenance for myself. So yeah, we're gonna head on the road now. And then once we're on the road, you know, check back in with you guys and show you guys where we go and all of that good stuff. So guys, we're our first stop, which is Quartz at this moment. Mom is in the line. She's paying a bill or so be the case, and we're just walking around genuinely. In the meantime, while I wait on her, I'm just walking around and see what is happening. Let me show you what's inside here. There isn't really a lot of people in here because it's still morning, but these are like the bedroom areas up here, like bedroom, beds, dressers, all of that stuff like that. So it's kind of sectioned out here, and some couches and stuff like that. I haven't been here in a second. It looks like they got new stuff, so it's a vast area, but we can't bother to walk out the whole light. But yeah, dressers, and they like set it up, you know, in these little ways, show you how you can style the beds and stuff. See, like this one. They have accent pieces and all that stuff. Okay guys, we're at our next stop. I'm at Devon House. No, yeah. Mom wanted ice cream, so I'm getting ice cream for her. I don't really want any because I had last week, so I'm fine. Going inside, doesn't look like there's much of a line.
If me know, say I'm not else make you start this, I'm going to buy one to myself and never that I never know. How much for that?
$7.50. Yeah.
Then we know.
Maybe try you want your ice cream. Okay, guys.
Drink one of the stuff.
Oh, you drink one? Okay.
It's a bit simple.
It is. So I came with a Krispy Kreme, as you guys saw. I got my donuts right here. I just want to show you which ones I took. I got this strawberry fruit chiller thingy. It don't taste too bad. Sweet, but it don't taste too bad. I didn't know, I said the man there. A market me and I asked me if I want the bigger size or larger size. Must if you get diabetes with the 6 donut them.
No, not so.
But if I buy the bigger one, me get more taste up, me get more flavor for go with the donut them. And most diabetes in more me catch. So we're going back down now. We have one more place to stop. Supermarket we're stopping, right?
Yeah.
We didn't stop at the shipping company. It was too packed. And I guess it's still packed there, obviously. So we just have to come another day for them, which is fine. There's a bit of traffic on the road today. It is.
I understand that there is there.
Remember, say still mountain, you know. It's not too bad, but it just look a bit sweet. But it's alright. Anyways, when we reach in the supermarket, I'll check back in with you guys. So these are my donuts. I got 3 regular glazed. This one is maple glazed. This one is chocolate iced. Half of them can't drive, them on the road, you know. Them cannot drive. And then this is apple cinnamon filled, something like that. Yeah, I didn't want any strawberry ones because I personally don't really like strawberry icing on donuts like that. Or any like iced filled ones. I didn't really want any of that. The apple cinnamon filling, I think that's okay. And they dusted it with like some kind of something them dusted with. But these are them. They look so much better than when the first time I came here, which was like months ago, but they look way better. Maybe them are all seasoning and noodles and them stuff there, you know. This side, oh, here we have flour, rice, thin stuff, yeah. Need flour? Need flour? I don't know. Just in general, no?
Why is it that much?
I dropped this strap?
What do you know?
Oh, oh yeah, see there. Oh, me that one.
Why they can't have 5 pound all-purpose? Why they can't have the all-purpose in a 5 pound?
I don't know, you know. I think it's the brand.
But why they have the piece?
I think it's the. This is Gold Seal at a PGJ. I think the Gold Seal brand, them not do the big bulk. So. Alright guys, I'm home and I'm tired as ever. The morning I have had, and it's 1:54 in the evening, I woke up from 5 o'clock. Don't just me do. I woke up from 5 o'clock. Went to do my exam at 6:30 a.m. Went to do my exam at 6:30. Then finished around after 8. Go on the road. Been on the road all morning. I am tired. I want to go sleep, and I am once me eat them donuts here. So we're gonna do a little donut taste test. So see, got them from Krispy Kreme, as you saw, obviously. I told you guys the flavors, but if you didn't hear, let me tell you again, because we're gonna do a little donut taste testing. Me eat one. So you go. You're hungry. So as I said, I got 3 regular glazed ones. I had one of the glazed. It tastes like a regular glazed donut. I got a maple glazed. I got a chocolate iced, well, like sprinkles and stuff. And then I got one filled one because I don't really like all of the filled ones that they have when I tried it the time. But this filled one I hopefully will like. This is the apple cinnamon filled donut. Okay. How can I sugar that? I'm not gonna taste anyways. So a glazed donut is obviously a glazed donut. Soft, nice, spongy. You know, regular thing. It tastes good. They taste a lot fresher than the last time that I went there. Obviously, the last time that I went. I can obviously tell I didn't get as much as a fresh batch. That's fine. We're getting them today. I really craved, not craved, but I felt like, you know, after all these exams, I just bought myself a little treat. Just to, you know, treat myself after all of this stressing and tireless studying and exam doing. So I want to try the maple glaze. I've never tried this one before. I think the only one that I tried the last time that I went there was the chocolate iced, which just tastes like a regular donut with just chocolate icing on top. I never tried the maple glaze, and I never tried the apple cinnamon one. There was also another one there that I wanted to try, but we never seen it in a display, so I never bother ask. So let's try the maple glaze. The icing tastes like pancake syrup, but not in a bad way. Just because it's maple, obviously. This one is actually not too sweet compared to the other ones. Well, these aren't really sweet, but compared to the other ones I've had, this one ain't that sweet with the maple icing on top of it. It's not that sweet. I don't know. I'll give the maple glaze maybe like a 7 out of 10. It's not bad. Obviously the regular Krispy Kreme donuts, it's like an 8. The glaze, they're nice and soft. They taste regular, so I give that like an 8. The maple glaze one, I give it like a 7. Like I said, the icing tastes like pancake syrup, but it's not bad. It's not sweet either. Chocolate iced, I know how this tastes, but I'm just gonna taste it again just for your viewing purpose. Pretty simple. They're not too sweet. I'm not gonna tell you, like, the ones that I got the first time were very sweet. I look at them, cut them on the sugar, and I don't wrong them. It's like a 7.5. The chocolate ice, it just tastes like a regular donut with just chocolate icing, but the chocolate icing is really nice, so I give it like a 7.5. And then this is the apple filled, or the cinnamon apple filled, one of the two. You can definitely tell it's filled. It is the biggest one in the box, and it's quite heavy, so let's try it. Now, the filling is nice, but this liquid dust on the outside that throw me off. I don't know what it tastes like, because I don't know if it's cinnamon and powdered sugar. I must cinnamon and powdered sugar, because the inside tastes really nice. The apple filling, very nice. But the powder out here, it not vibe with me. Like the powder throw me off. If it was just as it is without the powder, definitely probably like a 9 out of 10. But the powder really throw me off. So I forget like maybe a 6. Cause the feeling is nice, but the powder on the outside, I don't know, it just turn me off. The taste of the powder they turn me off. But I forgot to eat it and pay for it. Maybe if I dust off the powder it will help. Not even a dust off. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna eat some of my donuts, drink some water, and take a nap. You'll see me when I wake up back. Hi guys, today is Friday. Yesterday I went to sleep, and then after I woke up I just had dinner, and then just did some little maintenance for myself, like, you know, just skincare and stuff, and then I go back on my bed. Because as I said, finished my last test, and you know, I just after going on the road, waking up so early, going on the road, I just came home and just fresh up myself and all of them something there and went to sleep. So today's Friday. I'm here at home by myself today. Everybody is out doing their thing, so I don't really have any reason to go on any road, so I'm at home. Supposedly taking rest. I'm gonna make some lunch now. I'm gonna do some chicken Alfredo thingy. I have my water boiling to put my pasta in, and mom did some brown stew chicken and she had left it in the deep freeze, so I'm just taking some of the breast. I should did breast and thigh, so I'm gonna take some of the breast outside and chop it up and use it for my chicken. Instead of having to go and like do instead of having to go and cook chicken again, I'm just gonna do this. Hold on. So yeah, I'm just making something to eat. Really, it's still kind of tough, you know, but I try to work with it as best as I can. One thing and two things for certain I've kind of realized, I'm not used to taking like a break a day, because I'm doing schoolwork or, you know, editing or whatnot be the case. But like, editing is editing, that's nothing, you know, crazy. But with school wise, today has made me realize that I do not know what entails in taking a break from school. I've just literally been here. I said I was going to clean my room today because I made I said into myself, you know what, I'm gonna clean my room today since I have the time, you know. I didn't do anything, never clean that thing. I've been here watching TV all morning, and I've just been here watching TV all morning, literally. I can't remember what do you mean? I can't remember the last time I just watched TV for a full, well, it hasn't been a full day, I think it's after 12 now, but I just can't remember the last time I just really sit down and watch TV all day straight. But that is what I've been doing. I'm not opposed to it, so it's fine. It's just not something I'm used to, but I guess I need to, you know, do it more often maybe. Alright, so I did all my chicken, and I think this chicken is okay. I'm gonna put the water already hit, so I'm gonna wait for my water to boil, and then I'm gonna put in my pasta and let that cook like 3/4 of the way, and then after that I just work on my sauce. One pot me I use for all of this, because personally me can't bother go dirty up no whole pot, so I'm just using one pot for everything. So once my water has started to boil, a little bit more rapidly, then I'll come back and show you guys, you know, how I make food. All right, see, Water is here boiling, so I'm going to put in my my pasta now. Just using penne pasta because that's my preferred type of pasta to use. If not penne pasta, then bow tie. When doing this type of pasta stuff, I either like penne pasta or bow tie pasta. I don't really like any other one. Okay. I'm doing enough so I have some to eat now and to eat later for dinner. Because when my parents come back, I know they ain't cooking. So I want to have enough for now and later. So I'm gonna let this cook. Okay guys, so update. My pasta all cooked, drained. I chopped up some, I chopped up some onions, and I also chopped up, shredded some pasta, milk right here, and I have some butter melting in my pot. So I'm just trying to get that, mixed out. Onions, you know, they have a lot of flavor, and I like the texture and kind of the flavor that they bring to my pasta personally. So I saute with onions first. I'm going to turn up the heat, and I saute until they're like soft. If I need more butter, then I'll add more, but I saute the onions until they're like completely soft. Then after that, depending on the type of pasta I'm doing, if I'm doing the Alfredo or not, obviously I'll make a roux. Once after the onions, I will just add some flour to it and stir it up, and then start going in with my milk and whatnot, be the case. And then I just, you know, put in my seasonings and add my cheese and all that little stuff. Not in that order, but then I add in just all my little stuff after. I've realized pasta is one of the dishes, you ever like certain dishes you go out, you don't want to buy it because you know it's not going to really please your palate. Pasta is one of them. I have eaten pasta from a couple places, good rating places, whatever, medium rating places, whatever be the case, and every time I try it, it just don't taste good to me. Not that it doesn't taste good, let me not say that, but it just doesn't meet my preference of taste, like standard with what I want to taste when it comes to pasta. And because of that, I've just realized, you know what, let me just keep on making it at home. So when I go out, I don't order pasta. It's probably the one thing I refuse to order. It's probably the one thing I refuse to order when I go out. I would just rather make it at home because I know that I will like it. There's a high chance that when I go to the place, I'm not gonna like it because maybe it's not seasoned to my liking, or I don't like the taste of the sauce. It's always something. So I personally stick to just doing it at home. I never go wrong. Now that I have learned and I've fixed my, you know, my little recipe how I want to, I'm perfectly fine with it at home. So I'm letting these onions saute a little more. They're not fully soft yet, so I'm letting them saute a little more. Okay, so I added my flour to it. Obviously this isn't really a tutorial. I added my flour to it, and all I'm doing, just, you know, it's gonna come a little pasty, obviously that is how I want it, and I just turn it down on a lower heat, let it cook for a few minutes, obviously, and then I add my milk. But I add my milk little by little. I don't add all of it at once. I add it little by little to kind of just pace how much I really need. So as I add my milk and it thickens and I realize that I need more, I add more. So it's thickened, add more. And because I don't want it too creamy, I will add some water at a certain point. I just use regular milk to do this. Obviously you can use heavy cream. If you have heavy cream, then you wouldn't necessarily need to make a roux, but, or maybe you do, I don't know, but I just use regular milk. I don't really use heavy cream because I don't make pasta very often, so I don't really need to buy heavy cream that often for my home. Turn up so a little. So because of that, I just use regular milk, and regular milk works for me because sometimes heavy cream can be very, very clouding, and I don't always want my pasta to be so clouding. I want to actually be able to finish it. So I'm just slowly stirring it, and as it thickens I add more. Turn up the heat a little. Once it's thickened to a certain, you know, state or whatever like that, then I will add my cheese and then let that cook down properly, completely. Let it dissolve fully. I don't want to see any grains. Once that is done, then I will go in with seasonings and all of that, then add my pasta and then the chicken. I'm gonna add just a little more milk, and then I'm just gonna let that take its time and cook completely. I'm gonna let the flour inside here cook completely. So after you stir it after a certain time, I'm just gonna leave it and let the flour just cook completely in there. Okay, it's all finished. So I'm going to, first of all, wrong something else. First of all, I'm gonna stir it up a little. And then I probably should have done this in a bigger pot, but I don't want to dirty up anything too big right now. To wash that out is another story. I'm just gonna dish out some for myself. And the brown stew chicken is kind of good for this because normally what I do when I am doing my chicken for any kind of pasta, I just brown it up regular. Or who do one piece of my pasta a while ago? A droppy drop or a me blind? It's a something drop, but take it off right so when it's something cool. Okay, so here's my pasta, right? This is how I like my pasta, or my little Alfredo pasta. I'm not a big Alfredo girly. As I said, I like tomato based pastas more, but once in a while I'll have this. So I'm gonna eat now, watch some TV, and then after that I'm probably going to sweep out the kitchen and wash up. I don't know what time my parents are coming home, but I'm just gonna do that in the meantime after I'm done eating. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Saturday, and this, well, it's not morning, it's actually afternoon. It's 12:25. So today I'm going to lunch with my brother. We're going to lunch, you know, so sibling lunchtime, whatever. We're going to TGIF, you know, thank God it's Friday. He's on the road right now, but he's coming back obviously to pick me up so that we can go, because he went out to do something and he's gonna pick me up so that we can go. So in the meantime, I'm partially, basically kind of ready. I just have to put on my slippers when I'm ready. So let me show you guys the outfit. I'm wearing this white top that looks like this. I've worn it before, but I don't know if I've like shown you guys if I've worn it before. So I'm wearing this white top. I'm wearing these jeans, these ripped jeans, just a regular straight leg ripped jeans. This bag, I'm carrying this one with me. I was contemplating if I should have carried this one, but it doesn't really match the vibe of the outfit at all, so I've decided to just wear this one instead, and it's way easier to just work with this one. And then just my white Bridget's regular everyday jewelry having on. For my hair, I decided to put my hair in a puff because I wanted to do a slick back, but let me tell you something, the products that I have, awful. Them can't slick back nothing. My hair is not going back into the slick back that I wanted to go in. And by the way, when I went on the road the day when I started the vlog, right as I left out of the house, my hair was fuzzy. So that slick back hair that y'all saw, as soon as we come out of the house, my ear go back to fuzzy spray one. So now I have to go and find, I had a product that was really, really good that slicked back my hair, kept it in place for a good couple of hours. And I need to go and find it back because it was actually a really, 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 really good product. So I'm going to find it back and I'm going to buy it back because it was good. But I bought this gel and I have this wax and just the two of them now work. And I should have known that this gel that I bought was not going to work because I just heard really bad, you know, comments on it specifically. I've just heard like really bad comments on it. But actually, I should have just followed my gut and went with what I know. But I'll just have to replace it, or better yet, not replace it. I'll just use that for like when I'm doing twist outs or like mini twists or whatever be the case. So my hair is in a puff. I just kind of compressed it in because when I comb out this hair properly, it's very big and I don't really want to walk on the road with that. So I just decided to, you know, compress it and make it a little bit smaller, and that would work for me. That's really it. Now we're nothing special. It's just a really little show place, you know, to go and have some food. And then after that, I'm coming back home. Mom is going to do a video today, but Dad's gonna video that for her. And when I come back home, I think I'm going to edit it. I don't know if I should put it up today, but I'm gonna edit it and support. So yeah, that is what my Saturday is entailing today. I will be taking you guys with me when I go to TGIF for sure. Show you guys the inside because they did do a little renovation up there, which I haven't been to TGIF in years. When I tell you years, I mean years. I went there maybe like 2 to 3 times, and I haven't been back there since. It's not anything wrong with the food or nothing of the case, but I don't even remember what it is. It's nothing of that sort. It's just I haven't been back there in a time. So yeah, so they did a renovation and stuff like that, and they, I guess, change up some stuff on the inside, and they have like this new menu or whatever be the case. But we'll see if I really take anything off a new menu or just work with the menu that they have. They have progressed and changed their menus from like last year to now, so it is a little bit better. And I did see some stuff online that they had that I would have wanted to try, or something I should say that I wanted to try specifically. So yeah, that's the vibe for today. I'm excited to go on the road. I'm not really gonna win. But I'm really gonna win like that. So yeah, I'm kinda excited to go on the road. Soup, Malcolm, me taste the go. Mom got some soup, so make a taste the go. And then I will catch you guys when I'm back on the road again. Hi guys. So today's Monday. After Saturday, after going out Saturday, came back home and edited a video, and then I just went to sleep. No, I went to talk to my friends and I went to sleep. Sunday, just went to class. I really didn't do anything Sunday, so I didn't really, you know, so need to vlog anything. But today, Monday, it's a little bit after 12, I think. Hold on. I think it's after 12. Yeah, it's 12:50. So I got up already a long time, but I was editing a video for one of my mom's channels, and then I was also making some what do you call it? Some design thing. What do people then call it again? What a design name? Let's see about the name. Graphic design. Yes, I was making this like graphic design thing for a logo for something that I am working on. So I was making that, and then I have some other stuff for it to do also. But this week is, well, obviously I'm gonna see the full thing of this week. I think maybe after today and maybe tomorrow I'll end the vlog. I have not really a jam-packed week, but I have a lot of group meetings to get to this week and a lot of group stuff to do, because month of March, obviously there is my semester ends in April, so I'll be finished with school by early April. And I have a lot of group projects, group assignments, presentations, quizzes, because all of the mid-semester is over, so it's just to focus on the end of semester stuff now. So have a lot of that coming up. So with that being said, I do have a lot of like group meetings and stuff and group work with my part I have to do, that I have to start doing. But today I'm not really doing any of that. Today I'm actually going to be cleaning my room. My room is in a very deplorable state. It might not look it, I'm sure. It might not look it to Uno, but it is in a very deplorable state. I washed some whites. It's at the bottom of the thing now. You know how long I wash the white clothes them? I never fold them up. I just literally left them in there. I didn't fold them, whatnot. My bed, that's the state it's in. Didn't make it, no, nothing like that. Haven't made it anything like that. Have some clothes to wash, some stuff on the ground, and you might not, I don't know if you can see, but like there's like some little hair particles on the floor from when I was combing up my mini twists. There's just hair. There's hair all over my room at this current moment. My dresser isn't really too dirty, but the mirror won't clean, and this is what's happening with my chest drawer. So it's just a little bit out of place for me. I'm not even gonna look in my closet them because I know in there so sleep. So it's a little bit out of place for me, but I don't think I'll be able to get everything done today because I am starting a little late. But maybe a few things, or most of it, I'll try my best to get done today. I just want a clean, fresh space. Also, I was thinking of doing laundry, but that catch me because now they have turned down the water in the community. So basically, I don't know what time water come back up, and it normally come back up for now. This turning down a water business in Jamaica is annoying. Why don't you feel the need for you to turn down the water and make no form of indication or notification to people say, hey, we're gonna turn down your water at this time, please make sure if you do what you have to do. No, the water just turned down randomly. Anyways, so with that, I can't really do laundry, and by the time it comes back up, I doubt I'll be able to do it. So I may just carry the laundry into tomorrow. But I'll just strip off the sheets, all the dirty stuff, I'll just put them one side and I'll wash them tomorrow. Hopefully the water comes back up by then. Outside of that, cleaning today, I ain't really got anything else to do. I do want to eat something before I start cleaning, so I'm gonna heat up some food before I start my cleaning, because when I come back I'm gonna show you guys my cleaning. Also, I was doing some, even though my birthday is all the way in May, which is like what, 3 months from now, I was doing some online looking, not shopping yet, but like online, you know, window shopping, and I was making a list of some stuff that I need and stuff that I have to get and whatever, because I am going to be planning something, I think huge, but I'm planning something, so I have to look online for the stuff that I want. And the theme of my thing is just gonna be like pink. Obviously I had a feeling it was going to be pink, so with that being said, I have to look for everything pink, everything that relates to pink, different shades of pink, and stuff that just makes sense, you know. So I have to be looking at those actively now. Have to be making the lists and then ticking off what I get as I go along with my list and stuff like that. But outside of that, oh, I have class today, 8:30 as usual. But it's supposed to know that just by now. But outside of that, I don't really have anything else, just the cleaning today. Oh, let me give you guys my review from Saturday when I went to TGIF. I totally forgot to come back and tell you guys how it was. So it was good. The ambience inside there was really nice, super chill. Music was playing and everything, which was good. The bar area is really, really nice. I like how they renovated the bar area. I think it looks really, really nice now. Much more open and, you know, just like more chill and easy to kind of like communicate with other people over there if you want to communicate with the bartender, whatever be the case. It's just more open for you to see everything that's happening around you, and I personally like it. It just looks way better with the aesthetic of inside there. Inside there, you know, the new vibe of it is nice. Food wise, my sandwich, well, my burger that I got was good. It wasn't anything over the top. I would probably say it was like maybe a 7.5 out of 10. The thing that really brought it up was the sauce. I got this little whiskey sauce, like whiskey based sauce kind of thing for the burger, and it was good. Also the drink, my drink was the highlight. Actually, it was a sangria with like all these fresh fruits in there and like white wine and some other stuff. I don't remember what was in there, but it was really, 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 really good. I give it like a good solid 9 or 9.5 out of 10. It was really good. I personally enjoyed it, and if I go, well, not if, but when I go back there, I will personally be ordering that as like my new drink there, because normally when I go places and I don't really get alcoholic drinks all the time, but most time if I go and I get it, it never tastes good because the alcohol is too strong in there, or just something about it is throwing me off. But this one was really good. The balance of the fresh fruits with the white wine and like whatever else they put in there, it's good. It was good. My brother said his food was good too. Not a fussy person, so I guess it was alright. Outside of that, it was good. It was alright. You know, just very chill evening. And one thing I told you for certain, I will be going back there for sure. Definitely just to get that drink again. But I'll probably go back there with friends, or I'll just go by myself if anything. You know, not wrong with going by yourself and having a little lunch by yourself. So I'll probably go there and have a little lunch by myself for sure, because like it's just very chill inside there, honestly. So I'm going to eat something now, and then when you guys see me back, I will be starting the cleaning process, stripping off the sheets off my bed, putting them away, starting to dust and sweep and them stuff there, and then I'll do wiping and all of that stuff finally. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start cleaning up now. It's a little bit like 2:30 or so. I was doing some stuff before I started, so I emptied out this that had the white stuff in there, and I thought the best way to start is just to pick up all of the dirty clothes and things I have lying around and put them in here. Okay, guys. So update. It's almost 8 o'clock. I finished a long time ago. I finished my room. I'll give y'all like a proper, look of it. Like it's all finished, cleaned, and everything. Um, but I fell asleep after I was done. I was really really tired. I didn't expect. I didn't expect. I didn't expect the room to take so much out of me. I thought I would have finished at a proper time, but I have finished like what, like after 6 or something like that. Not after, like yeah, like almost 6 o'clock or 6 o'clock M time there. And I was not going out of bed though. I'm not out. Like you can't ever ask me what happened after that. I fell asleep. Um, and then I woke back up just too long ago, and I realized or just remembered I have class. So and I didn't eat anything before going to class, so now I'm heating up something to eat. Class at 8:30 and go to bed. But that's about it for me for the rest of the night. Yeah, that's about it for me for the rest of the night. I don't really think I'm doing anything else except going to class and then going to sleep because I'm still very, very, very tired. Was it a right decision to clean before going to my class this evening? Probably not, but my room did have to clean. Like, I couldn't go another day without being clean. So, with that being said, mega eat and then go class, and then you guys will see me for tomorrow. You guys will see me tomorrow. I think I'm gonna end the vlog tomorrow. Um, I said I was going to wash my hair tomorrow and do the mini twist, but maybe I just wash it and then do the mini twist another day. I don't know if I'll be able to do the mini twist tomorrow. It depends. It's like I don't. Am I supposed to go on the road tomorrow? I don't even know. I think I'm supposed to go on the road tomorrow, but I don't know. I have to ask mom. So with that being said, I don't want to wash the hair early in the morning and then I have to go on the road. It's the case I'm not going on the road and I'll wash my hair. And then I'll do the mini twist. I don't really want to tire out myself by washing the hair and then going straight into the mini twist. I'll do the mini twist another day. But yeah, so that's it from me tonight, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys. So today's another day, but I just went on the road and I have just come back home. We just went to run like a really quick errand and we came back home, so I didn't really feel the need to vlog anything or so. I finished cleaning yesterday, as I did say before, but I was gonna show you guys like how everything kind of is now, as I said, because I did clean. So my dresser here all clean. I fixed it up and I kind of just made everything a little bit more organized. Don't mind me, I'm just tired because I just came home and wanted to finish a vlog. Changed bed sheets, everything. Changed my teddy bear that I have there. It don't really match with the color, but in my work right now. I just came home, so my bags are right there. Everything that was on the floor gone, wiped, swept, vacuum. My towels are as clean as possible right now. And I fixed up right here my chester drawer, and that was really it. Genuinely, I did just mostly just wiping, sweeping, cleaning, dusting off all of this stuff because I realized while the place was not as clean, I was really getting stuffy at night while I was sleeping. But also my fan is of contribution to that, so I will be cleaning my fan. I want to clean it. Let me go clean it. I might clean it this weekend. I think that's the best timing to clean it. So I'll probably clean it maybe Sunday or Saturday or so. Best timing that to clean it. I didn't wash my hair this morning. As I said, I did go on the road. But now that I'm back, I am going to be editing this vlog so that you guys can get it when you're seeing this, which is today's Tuesday. So you're getting it today, you're getting it in the night. So I will be washing my hair tomorrow, which is Wednesday. I'll wake up early, wash the hair, do the hair, all of that stuff. You guys know it's the same process. I'm doing back over mini twist again because the braid things are kind of expensive and I didn't expect the braids to be like expensive, but we'll get to that in another time. When I get the the funds and the time to get into the braids, then we do the braids. But for now, I'm just gonna wash my hair and do back mini twists and support and such. But this is just the hair currently. It's pretty obviously kind of thick up, so it needs to be combed out properly because I haven't combed it out properly. And as I said, I got a new leave-in condition and all that stuff, so I'll be doing a full deep condition wash and everything on my hair tomorrow. I think I'm also gonna blow it out before I do the mini twist, because I do want to give myself a little trim. Or yeah, no, either I'm gonna trim it, I try to trim it myself. My mom always trims my hair. Either I try to trim it myself or I don't trim it and just do the mini twist, and when mom get the time again, she trim it for me, or I try to trim it myself, one of the two. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. So this is the end of the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. Well, I had a little bit more stuff to do this week, so I hope you guys enjoy that. And I will see you guys in another vlog or video with me and mom or so, and I'll see you guys another time. Bye.